Hello guys, the only reason I'm really recording this is because I was watching Bepper's live stream. You know, what I always do, look for live streams of Animal Jam, famous YouTubers. And I came across a live stream she's giving away, Bepper was giving away. And she was giving away 2 black lungs. Not like 2 for 1 person, but like a black lung to the 2 people, to the 2 lucky people. And guess what? I was one of them. Black lung. And I'm never getting rid of it. I am so excited to have it. But that's all I wanted to say. Bye bye. But before I say bye bye, please subscribe to my cousin, which is Super Ninja Squid 7 Gaming. Subscribe to me, comment, all that stuff. I'll see you in my next video.